Welcome, and I'm glad that you've joined me here today for this meditation. I like to open my meditation sessions with this healing maxim. So relax and hold your hands in the receiving pose. Just relax them in your lap. Take kindness and benevolence as basis. Take frankness and friendliness to heart. Speak with reason, treat with courtesy, act with emotion, and accomplish results. This is a healing form that I use with this maxim. So let me check your energy. I'm going to say it one more time. Take kindness and benevolence as basis. Take frankness and friendliness to heart. Speak with reason, treat with courtesy, act with emotion, and accomplish results. And one more time, take kindness and benevolence as basis. Take frankness and friendliness to heart. Speak with reason, treat with courtesy, act with emotion, and accomplish results. That feels much better. Opening up your heart space, allowing you to receive. Today's meditation is dear to my heart, and I want to share this with you today to help you to become stronger, to learn more, and to grow in ways that you never thought possible. My body is a temple, a physical structure given to me to guide me in my earthly journey. My body was created to help me to learn to distinguish the various emotions and discern the difference between joy and pain. My body keeps me rooted to the earth in times of exquisite joy. It also protects me in times of great adversity and pain. Like the sun, it never stops loving me. In every moment, it seeks to repair, replenish, transform, and nourish. This is true loyalty. In your body, your heart plays the part of the emperor or empress of your physical kingdom. Let us support our heart by placing our hands over the heart space. Take a deep breath, focusing your attention on your heart space with thankfulness and gratitude. And take another breath. Sometimes we forget the magnificence that our body is, and we can misinterpret its purpose and divinity. It is a holy creation, a gift from the divine, a source of support during this brief moment of mortality. Let us forgive ourselves for the abuse and torture that we may have unconsciously or consciously inflicted on ourselves. Keep supporting your heart space and follow along and repeat after me. Please forgive me for all the times I have disrespected my body. And breathe. I give myself permission to forgive those who taught me to hate my body. And breathe. I ask others to forgive me for judging their body as either good or bad. And breathe. I forgive myself for not honoring my body as a temple where the divine dwells. And breathe. I forgive myself for believing that this temple gifted to me is my enemy. And breathe. I forgive myself for calling what the divine has lovingly created for me evil. And breathe. I forgive myself for abandoning my temple and blaming the repercussions of my actions on others. And breathe. I forgive myself for believing that the outside of the temple is more holy than the sanctuary it is. And breathe. I forgive myself for believing that I would be better off not having this temple. And breathe. I give myself permission to love and respect this temple of divine benevolence. And breathe. I give myself permission to accept the love that it offers me. And breathe. I give myself permission to be reverent and respectful within my temple and allow it to teach, to heal, to nourish, and to protect me at all times. And breathe. I give myself permission to allow the love of the divine to flow in and pulsate throughout my temple, bringing it to life, activating its holy and sacred qualities. And breathe. As I release, forgive, and honor this holy temple that is my mortal body, I pray, help me to respect my body. Help me to honor my body as a temple of the divine. Help me to treat my temple as a gift and an ally to my growth. Help me to embrace the power and holiness of my body. Help me to accept and receive the love my body offers me. Help me to be reverent and respectful within my temple and allow it to teach, to heal, to nourish, and to protect me at all times. Help me to receive the flow of divine energy that activates its holy and sacred qualities, bringing it to life and supporting my learning. From the high and holy seat where my heart resides, may this temple purify and refine me. May my heart expand to understand the whole of the universe and my contribution to it. May my heart know true kindness and benevolence. And to my body, I say, thank you for loving me, even when I feel unlovable. Thank you for healing me, even when I am undeserving. Thank you for your example of dedication and loyalty. Thank you for the gift that you are. Now take a big breath in and open your arms to receive. Then exhale slowly, bringing your arms in to give yourself a big hug. Let's do it again. Take in a deep breath and open your arms to receive. Then exhale slowly, bringing your arms in to give yourself a big hug. And hold this hug and take 3 deep breaths. Return to the receiving pose as you sit in this new energy and listen to this poem. Created and formed by the great divine, a gift to you to experience mortality, to feel, to protect, to teach and to guide, to awaken your soul for greater expansiveness. This temple of flesh, blood, and bone, lovingly paired with your eternal essence, remembers what you cannot and guides you safely home. My body is a temple, a place of great power, for when I reside in my temple, I have all the wisdom of the ages available to me. My body is a temple, a place of learning, for when my spirit resides in my temple, I can feel the deepest of pain and also the extreme abundance of joy. My body is a temple, a place of healing, for when I reside in my temple, the broken and fragile parts of me are lovingly resolved. My body is a temple, a place of nourishment, for when I reside in my body, I am continually transformed, cleaned, and remodeled for my highest and greatest good. My body is a temple, a place of peace, for when I reside in my temple, I continuously communicate with the divine. And in this holy and sacred place, I experience a constant flow of unconditional love. May you see yourself with new eyes, and may you embrace this experience with joy and curiosity, and may your experiences be filled with beauty, and may your new understanding bring about exquisite joy.